So you had him off the lead and he went and headbutted that. Yes, you don't disagree with that. £124.99, pence, as I understand it. Now, that's not the most substantial cost, because even before that, the second part of your claim is the carpet and the sofa, right? Both cleaning and, in fact, damage to the carpet.
Yeah.
Tell me what happened to the sofa and the carpet, especially the carpet.
The carpet, I didn't witness. Andy did.
Andy, do stand up. Here's your moment. Roughly when was this? Bearing in mind, the goat has been coming in several times. Let's ask Jack. Before the damage to the carpet, how many times had the goat been allowed into the pub?
Quite a few.
How many, roughly? More than 10?
Yeah, something like that.
Agreed? More than 10?
Yeah.
Very important. What's that? Do you know, either of you?
That's carpet.
Yeah. I know it's carpet! What's that on the carpet?
A tear.
A what?
Some damage.
Well, what? A tear? Oh, I see. Understood. Is that the only tear on the carpet? It looks like very good carpet, by the way.
It was.
Yes.
A tear. Is that the only tear?
On the carpet, yes.
Well, I'm asking about the carpet. Did you see the goat eating the carpet?
Started chewing the carpet, yes.
Understood. Now, madam, what do you say is the total damage to the carpet?
All I've put down for is the cost of the carpet, which was £1,850.
Now, that's how much it cost to install originally, and I've seen, just to be clear, a bill for that. Now, why do you say, bearing in mind your goat is clearly the cause of that damage, why do you say you don't owe that money, sir?
Well, I didn't actually see it because he was on his retractable lead. So when I've been speaking to someone, he might have gone off and that's when it's possibly happened, but I didn't actually witness it.
Well, you didn't witness it, but res ipsa loquitur. In Latin, that means it's probably your fault when you bring a goat into a pub.
Yeah, it's my responsibility.
Understood. It wasn't just the eating of the carpet, something happened on the sofa. What happened on the sofa and the carpet, madam?
Weed everywhere.
Those are the stains that I can see over there.
To be honest, Judge, I made that a little bit worse because I tried putting Vanish on myself to clean it.
Does it smell?
It did.
Well, does it smell now?
No.
Well, that's a relief. Have people sat on it subsequently?
Yes.
Understood. And you've had it professionally cleaned?
Yes.
£575, correct?
Correct.
Why don't you owe that?
Again, it's most probably happened when I've been talking to someone who's just jumped up.
In other words, you weren't paying due care and attention whilst your goat caused damage to somebody else's property. Again, you have to pay attention when you bring a risky animal into a building, correct?
Very true, Judge.
And if you weren't paying attention, whose fault is it?
My fault.
It might be, it might not be in law, because there's some law which I have to say both of you need to comment on. That's not the end of it. What happened to the flowers?
It ate the flowers in the beer garden.
What flowers?
Pansies.
Does your goat Eric have a bit of a penchant for a pansy?
It didn't do, but it does now.
It didn't do, but it does now.
Yeah.
What does that picture show?
Nothing now.
What was there before?
Pansies.
How much were the pansies?
Would have said about £75.
Understood. The total value of your claim is £2,624.99, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Now, madam, to what extent do you think this is your fault?
Well, I don't think it's my fault. If he brought a child into the pub, he'd have to keep an eye on it.
That's a very good point. But children aren't covered by the law. Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.